much, everyone.
Good day, everyone. Welcome back to ATN, Apex Terabyte Network. My name is Shola Good Oshiloye. All right. This moment we are going to be discussing about a very short tutorials, which has been a request from people for some period now, but my schedule has been very busy, so I've not been able to release anything online regarding that. So at this point, without wasting time at all, I would love to say we are going to be releasing to the air the term VRF. So people has been asking, what is VRF LITE? What is normal VRF? I said VRF is VRF, I've already explained, but in this tutorial we're going to be dealing with VRF LITE. And the main difference between VRF LITE and ordinary VRF is that for VRF it requires MPLS, and it requires some kind of an IGP, then it will run on MPLS even with your MP-BGP. And when I say MP-BGP, that will also have to go along with your VPN v4. So that one means we are running a full VRF. But in the case of VRF LITE is just like, let me say, is a subset of MPLS VPN functionality. So in this case, it supports only the VRF related functions. There is no need for MBGP. There's no need for VPN v4, or let me say MPLS. It's not even required in this case. So what you just need is just a single IGP that you are running. In this case of Mikrotik, we're going to be running, the IGP we'll be running so far is OSPF, which is good for us. So we're going to be running only OSPF on your own. Thank you all. Let's go to class and see what we have today. So from this, you can see the diagram. This is an ISP core. This is Abuja GT. This is a Lagos GT. In these two locations, this is a GT in Abuja office. This is a GT in a Lagos office. So the only difference here now is that we want to ensure that there is a connectivity between this guy and this guy. This router that we put here is only one here physically. We don't know how many routers the ISPs are having. So this is their core. They may have like 10 routers here, all of them are running on OSPF. Don't forget, this is a VRF LITE. So on VRF LITE, I don't need to talk about MPLS at all. I don't need to talk about any other thing different from the IGP I'm running, which is the OSPF here. So let's say this one is like 5 routers that are running on OSPF. No problem, to still work. So what do we need here? Number one, what we need to know here is that you are running OSPF between this part to this part, then OSPF between this part to this part. So it means we are running OSPF to the customer, you're also running OSPF to the customer. Then you are going to separate your routing table with a VRF. So that is a part whereby VRF LITE comes in. Thank you. So in this case now, we have been able to establish a connection here. You can see the LSR. So that is it. So link state advertisement is advertising this guy from the router itself. That is 192.1.1, and the originator is the router itself. Also, and the router is also advertising 1.1.1.1. Then the network, that is through the network of that OSPF, we are seeing an originator of this. Originator of 1.1.1 is coming to 10.2.1.1. So which is coming from ATN. That is for that. So, all right, we are going to configure the same thing for Lagos. So Lagos, what are the IPs we need to configure on our OSPF? So I'm having this, let me copy it also. So I'm going to be having routing OSPF. I'm going to be having instances. I'm using the same instance, don't forget. Nothing changed. So I'm using the same instance, don't forget. So network, I'm going to be adding the network. So I'm going to be having this one as 0. So backbone. So I'm having this one also as a 172.168. 1.1.0/24. That's the one that goes to the LAN. You can see immediately I added that network, it populated here. This one increases. We will see the impact as time goes on. Just let's stay tuned. So the area has formed a neighbor already. It's not wasting time at all. That's formed a neighbor because I'm using a default route. So that was why display was populated. Immediately it formed a neighbor. So that is why the thing was populated. So that is for that. So look at this network instances. Yes, the 2 ports are up. Let me also, okay, do I need a bridge port for this? Only ETA 2 is needed, so there's no need of a bridge port for now. So I can just say, let me disable the bridge port. So nothing is under the bridge again. So this one will change. That's changed. So we're having it that way. So therefore we're having this. We can see 10.1.1, 10.2.11. So this one is forming neighbor here, this one is forming neighbor here. So we have seen that. Now let's get back to this place and see our neighbors. It's forming 2 neighbors. Fantastic. So it's forming neighbor here and it's forming neighbor here. But the 2 of them, they are both on physical interface. Let's check the route. The route is complete. Look at it. Passing through this guy, is having a route to this guy, to this network, and to this network. This is a network in Abuja. This is a network in Lagos. So it's passing a route to the 2 networks. So let's go to IP route and see what is going on. VRF is the one up. So let's check. Oh, beautiful. You can see. So the VRF is running on ETA 1 to what? To 10.1.1.2 VRF. Then it's also running this. Those are dynamically and it's active for OSPF. So the OSPF is currently running to this Abuja and to this Lagos. That is what we call VRF LITE. We did not make use of any MPLS or anything MP-BGP. I think at this point we are done. So let's just test first before we now run other tests. So before I was trying to ping from this place, I couldn't reach, but we should be able to reach now. Let's check the ping. Oh, beautiful. We can reach now. You can see. Look at it. Let me Control C. Look at it. 12.12.161 received. So it just started receiving. It wasn't receiving before. So it's receiving now. So where am I pinging now? All the way from Lagos now, I can reach my Abuja branch. So from Abuja, can we reach Lagos? From Abuja, can we reach Lagos? 172.1.1.1. Oh, beautiful. So we can reach Lagos. We can reach everywhere. So before we round up, let's configure our workstations and try if we can reach the server in Lagos. So the server in Lagos is this server. Let's configure the server as .2 since our gateway is .1 to ISP. So let's configure this guy as .2. So the gateway is their router in Lagos and is .1. So let's say the server, which is the workstation, the server itself is what? Is .2. So let me make it .2. IP 172.1.1.2/24. Then what's the gateway? 172.1.1.1. So that it enter. Checking for duplicate. This checking. It takes it. That's correct. So let's save. So we save. Then let's ping now. Ping. What are we pinging? 172.1.1.1. That's the gateway. The gateway is reaching. Now from this our Lagos. From Lagos, can I ping this Abuja network? That's 192.168. sorry, dot 1.1. Can I ping it? Yes, I can ping it. So from Lagos I can reach Abuja also. So this is Abuja here. I can also reach Abuja. So can I reach all the workstations in Abuja, so that we will know that from the server in Lagos, which is this server, from this server we can reach all the clients in Abuja. So for us to ascertain that, we need to configure all the workstations. So as first one, 192. Okay, IP 192.168. Slash 24 check, duplicate, save. So that one is correct. Let's check the other one. That's .2 abi. So this one will be dot so can write also 07. So right. So let's ping from this VPC6. Ping. We want to ping the server. If you can read the server, that is server is .2. Don't forget .2 server. That's 172.1.1.2. That's the server. So not the gateway number. The server itself. So 172.1.1.2. That's the server. The server is replying with a very good latency, a good ping response. This is not a latency at all. So latency is low, it's very okay. It's replying well. So that is for that. So what of from the VPC4? So from this place to this dot, okay. Let's ping from there to ping 172.1.1. That's the gateway of Lagos. Okay, we can reach the gateway. So can we also reach the server? Good. So you can see. So everything seems fine. That will be the end of this tutorial. Once again, my name is Shola Good. Do not forget to subscribe to me. Subscription is free. Our phone number that is displayed on the screen, or you have any project that you want us to look into, you want us to reason together, you have a project for us, please kindly let us know. Your input is our own success. Thank you so much once again. I'm Shola Good, ATN, the best terabyte network. Bye.
Thank you so much. Once again, my name is Shola Good. You are my dog. Love you. See you in our next video. Bye.